Hello, teacher. My name is Ariana Villeda. In this video, I will explain what term extraction is, why it is important in translation, and how we can use tools to extract terminology from a specific text or a specific document. First of all, term extraction is a process of identifying key terms and a specific vocabulary from a text or from a document. This document, it is usually related to a specific field. Could be medicine, law, engineering, psychology, finances, etc. Term extraction can be done manually. This is by reading the text and identifying the most important terms by ourselves. But we often use automatic tools to save time and improve consistency throughout the text that we are translating. Term extraction is important because it helps translators find the most important and specific words in a text, and this makes the text even easier to understand for us and helps the translator to use the same terms consistently throughout the text that we are translated. It also saves time and reduces mistakes, especially when we are translating technical or academic texts, that they are really important. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use two important tools for term extraction. First of all, Five Filters and Sketch Engine. So let's get to it. First of all, we go to our favorite browser. In my case, it's Google. And we type the tool, in this case, Five Filters. We go to the first link. We click on it. Then we go to Apps and Services. We scroll down and we find Lab. We click on it and we look for term extraction. Here it says that we can convert a piece of text or even a web article into a list of relevant events. So let's go to the term structure. And here we can type or paste our text or even a website link. But what I want to do is paste the text. So we go to our text first. In my case, I chose this article about the association between Accruals, quality, and stock investment risk. I'm going to use page number 2 and page number 3. So I'm going to copy the first page. I paste it. And then page number 3. Okay, so we have the text ready and we can set it up how we want it. For example, max items, how many terms do we want to extract? So in my case, since there are only 2 pages, I'm going to choose 25 terms. The output has to be in HTML. And here we can determine the max words per term, how many words, one per term or 2 per term. So in my case, I'm going to choose 2 per term, and I want terms only in my case. You can set it up as you want it. And when we have everything ready, our text and our settings, we extract terms. And here it shows us the list of terms that it extracted. Here we have the occurrence, that is how many times the word appears throughout the text. We have number 1, accruals quality. It says that it's in 19 times throughout those 2 pages. And the word count, it's 1 and 2 per term, right? And then we have cost, etc., etc. Then this information, we can click on it and we can copy it and then paste it into a Word document, or we can even save it in our computer or our device. We click on it and then we go to save as, and then we look where we want to put it. In my case, it's my desk, and we save it as we want it so we can review it later. Okay, that is number one. So let's go with number two, that is a sketch engine. The same, we go to our favorite browser, we look for terms, the free version of sketch engine, term structure. We go to one-click term sketch engine since it's the free version. We click on it. We start here. And then we can choose however we want it. If our document only has one language or two languages, in my case, my document is in English, only one language, so I'm going to choose one language. And then we have to select the language of our documents. As I said, my document is in English, so I look for English. I confirm. If in your case you made a mistake, and it's not that language, you can just reset it and then do it again. So here we upload our file. Make sure you have your document downloaded in your device. So you click on it and then you look for your document. My document is right here, term extraction. I click on it, I open it. And then it's loading. We wait for it to load and it's ready. Extract terminology. We wait for it to load. This might take a few seconds or minutes. It would depend on your internet. And we have our terms ready. As you can tell, we have two options. First of all, single words, only one words. We have accrual, and other terms we have. And we have multi-words that are 2, 3 words per term. And we can even click on them. We can even click on them and it shows us the definition, some examples that so we can understand the term better. Some of the terms, you're not going to be able to see them because you have to sign up or you have to pay sometimes, but some of these terms would be helpful. And we can even show statistics. You click on it and it shows you the frequency, how many times this term it is used throughout the text. These numbers are not relevant. What we're looking for is the frequency. And we can even download it, right? But in my case, it's not able to do that since I haven't signed up. And these are our results for our term extraction process. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.